Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina, aka The Nina Effect. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and check out the QR code. Hey my loves, it's Nina here. I'm back, and today was my wash day. I washed my hair, and I want to show you guys my favorite hair mask ever. It's from Clinsis, and it's a repair and nourishing mask. And when I tell y'all, this stuff smells like heaven. So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it, and then I'm gonna show you guys the results of how my hair looks once this is off. Stay tuned. So first things first, we are gonna comb out the hair with my favorites brush, the Unbrush. And we start from the ends and work our way up. Make sure we gently take all those knots out so that we can work this mask in. Alright, now pull the hair back a little bit, and here we go. Take a nice decent amount, rub it on my hands, and I start from the top, and I'll work my way into the middle and then to my ends, and we'll comb it out with our fingers. Apply some more to these ends because that's where it needs the most love. I'll show you guys back. Oh, this stuff smells so good, y'all. Now, I just put it in a little bun, just like that. And of course, I take a plastic cap. This step is optional, but I'm using this jet bonnet dryer attachment so that I can get more of that product penetration. And this is how it looks. All you have to do is place it on your head, just like so. Grab this part and get your blow dryer. Put it right in there. There we go. And we turn our blow dryer on. This step feels so good, y'all. I feel like all I need is a chair to sit back and relax. I would literally fall asleep doing this. Now it's time to wash off this hair mask. Alright, the mask is washed off, and now we're gonna go in with this amazing tool right here. It's the 3-in-1 Conair Curl Collective Blow Dry Brush. You guys, this one right here is 10 out of 10. I love it. It has 3 different attachments, and depending on your hair, whether you have wavy hair, curly hair, coily hair, it's good for all hair types. And this is the final results, y'all. Look at how beautiful and shiny. I love it. And I forgot to mention, I did put this Maca essence oil on. I love this stuff. It's good for damaged hair, but not only that, you can use it on your skin. It smells like a luxury perfume. So all the products that I use, the Clinsis Hair Mask, the Karseell Curl Collective Blowout Kits, the Unbrush, they're all linked on my description. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.